Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to make a favicon to set into the browser. Favicon is the image will be appear in the browser, the top of your tab and the left of your tab. Let's see by its code. Let's get started. Now type a HTML document and inside that keep it a body, and before that you need to set a head tag, and in between the head tag you keep the title as document. If you run this, there will be a browser appears in the tab called document. Now below the title tag, in between the head tag, you need to set up a favicon link. Open that specific folder, copy any type of images you want to show in your browser. I'm copying this Facebook image and go back and paste it in your project document. Inside the project document where the index will be appear, paste it there and go to your text editor. Let's type it as link. Now let's type it as link and make this rel as a shortcut, shortcut and icon, and keep this href as facebook.png, which I have shown that you need to keep in your folder. Now you can see the difference in the browser. Yeah, the Facebook icon was shown here. Now you however refresh, that icon will be shown here, and you can set up your own Facebook website into. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. If you need to contact me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, the link is on the description. You can go and contact me on the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. If you missed the previous video, the link is on the description and the I button also. If you need a playlist of HTML and CSS, that is also in the description below. See you guys in the next video. Signing out from Vignesh. Bye.